Start. The High Court, after referring to the factual scenario, came to hold that the order was passed without applying its mind and with undue haste. It was noted that the authorities should have taken appropriate legal help to understand how far such executive authority can go to determine the issue. It was not a case of fraud between an individual and the state by which the revenue exchequer would suffer, but was a dispute between the father and the son, and without ascertaining the position either by civil court having appropriate jurisdiction in respect of right, title, and interest of the property and accounts, or by criminal court as regards proof of fraud and determination in respect of forgery, taking help of appropriate mechanism, the order impugned was passed, which was illegal. Learned Counsel for the Appellants has submitted that the High Court completely misconstrued the nature of the dispute. It lost sight of the fact that Pramod Kumar Shukla had fraudulently projected himself to be the owner, which admittedly he was not. The fact that the executor of the power of attorney had died in 1987, much before the application for renewal and oblique or application for permanent cinema hall was filed, was not disputed. Learned Counsel for the respondent Pramod Kumar Shukla, on the other hand, supported the judgment of the High Court, stating that in a case of this nature, the collector should not have passed the impugned order. His claim was that there was a family settlement and certain documents executed by his father Satya Prakash Shukla clearly established that he was the owner of the cinema hall. The High Court seems to have completely lost sight of the nature of the controversy and the dispute. Whether there was any fraud practiced could not have been decided in the writ petition. Under Section 7 of the Cinema Act, the power to revoke and cancel the license is available to the appropriate authority. It appears that the High Court has not examined the question as to what is the effect of Girija's death. It has also not examined the acceptability of the claim of Pramod Kumar Shukla that he was the owner of the cinema hall, in which capacity he had applied for permanent license. These have considerable bearing on the subject matter of dispute. The High Court has come to an abrupt conclusion without analyzing the factual and applicable legal position. That being so, we set aside the impugned order of the High Court and remit the matter to it for fresh disposal in accordance with law. We request the High Court to dispose of the matter within 4 months from today. The appeals are allowed to the aforesaid extent with no order as to costs. Stop.